here we got some kind of marmot. And some real penguins in this taxidermy hall. They have a section in the one of the corners of penguins. I was hoping they were going to swim for me today, but no such luck. They're just waddling around like penguins do. The animals in the taxidermy exhibit are from the 20s and 30s, so they're some, almost 100 years old. So it's pretty neat. We got a little fish aquarium here also, just in the corner here. So these are the ones that are quite old, in the 20s and 30s. Amazing realism. Look at these things. Deaky deaky, those are called. And of course the zebra, and birds in the trees. Really good job on the zebras and the facial expressions. There's a jaguar hanging in the tree. Look at these things with their long necks. Giraffe skull. And howler monkeys. There's all sorts of details in this exhibit. There's another type of monkey climbing up one of the bamboo shoots there. And speaking of monkeys, early man cast. This is a boy. Another one. These have been another from the 20s, 30s. They're not sure the exact date, but amazing taxidermy work on these giraffes. Look how tall they are, and they got a baby one here. Look at the detail. Pretty amazing. They can run fast too. Now here's a tiger that if I was this close, I'd be a dead man. Can't believe these are endangered. They're so beautiful. I mean, just look at that animal. Of course, they're endangered because of us. This is a area of the California Science Academy that's like a naturalist area, and they got all sorts of things. A lady just told me they have over 42 million artifacts within their vaults, and they rotate things out to show the public. So some of them are very old, and they don't want you touching them because they're lined with arsenic. So it's actually poison. Look at all these different human skulls and variations of them. Some are real, most are not. And they're showing the different ways that they lost teeth and were still able to survive. I'll go into Neanderthal and prior to that. Some of those look kind of creepy. Look at that little baby one there. Pretty wild looking. Look at that one. Barely intact at all. Here's a goose. We got lots of those roaming around. Mountain lion kitten. Weasel. Different reptiles in jars. Frog. Fish that hums. Look at that owl. Duck. different skeletons. Elephant seal. Manatee skull. Another elephant seal skull, which is huge. Wild boar. Check out the teeth on this thing. Man, you don't want to get bit by that. That's a rabbit. Woodpecker. Various birds. Of course, lovely, friendly alligator. There's a tortoise shell. A bobcat and a raccoon. Petrified wood. Walrus. Tortoise shell. Bird. Blackbird. Oh, that's look at this skull. That's a big skull. All the little veins in the skull. Killer whale. Orca. There was a horror movie in the 70s called Orca, which was a hyena. Look at that. Rhinoceros foot. That's crazy. A real rhinoceros foot. This is a real dinosaur bone, which they let you touch. Plant-eating dinosaur. Looks like it's been repaired. I'm trying to move it. It's about 100 pounds, just that bone. But who knows what it's in there to keep it together. This is kind of cool. The inside of a starfish. Who would have thought they look like that? They look like a space alien. Really strange. Inside of a fish. And the fearsome piranha. Shark jaw and sawfish. Look at that. That's so bizarre. Another skull from crocodile, alligators. That one here has got like filigree on it, if you can see. Sea turtle. See those in Hawaii. Human skeleton. And that's a for study purposes, human skeleton. And a polar bear skin. This is an actual polar bear skin, a real one. And again, that's the closest I ever want to get to one of these. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe.